Hello guys, welcome to the new video. I told you that this video is about carbohydrates, class 11th, zoology. So, what actually are carbohydrates? Carbohydrates are mainly compounds of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. And these are also known as saccharides. Saccharides, from the word we can get to know that these may be containing sugars. Yes, you're right. These are known as saccharides because their structures consist of sugars. As we told you, as we discussed before, that everything contains a subtype, a type as well as a subtype. So, carbohydrate consists of two types, that is, the small carbohydrates and large carbohydrates. But still, small carbohydrates are having some types, and large carbohydrates are also having some. So, small carbohydrates consists of monosaccharides, derived monosaccharides, and oligosaccharides, whereas the large carbohydrates are also known as polysaccharides. This does not have much subtypes, but polysaccharides is itself a big topic. From the word monosaccharides, we can get to know mono means single and saccharides means sugar containing. So, these, which is a single unit, we cannot just break it further. So, from the words of the NCERT, we can say that the elements or the biomolecules or the saccharides that cannot be further hydrolyzed into simpler units are known as monosaccharides. These consist of glucose, ribose, and a number of things. The number of carbon consisting consisted by monosaccharides are 3 to 7, ranging from 3 to 7. Let me show you the structure of glucose and ribose. Okay. Glucose. These are like, first of all, draw six-sided hexagon drawn. Then from the right top corner, just erase a small portion and write O here, written. And at each and every corner, just write OH. OH. For the first, second, and fourth carbon, we can write OH downwards. But for the third carbon, we have to write it upwards because of some structure. Then here there is CH2OH. Okay, so this is glucose. This is glucose. Now we come to ribose. Just remember that ribose is a pentacyclic structure. This is a hexagonal structure. Now we are going to draw the structure of ribose. First of all, draw a pentacyclic ring. Okay. From the upwards, just erase a small portion. And write O there. Written. And at each and every carbon, 1, 2, 3, 4. Right here. No, not at 4. It will be like CH2OH. Do you know the remaining places consist of H? H, 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 H. Here also H, 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 and H. It is a pentagonal structure. Pentagonal structure, or we can say a pentacyclic ring. Got to know it? Penta. So this is the structure of ribose, and this is the structure of glucose. Hexagonal, pentagonal structure of pentacyclic ring. So the first subtype, that was monosaccharide, it is done. Now we come to derived monosaccharide. From the word derived monosaccharide, derived, that means it has been derived, modified, or been made by some other molecule or other monosaccharides. And when those monosaccharides, when condensed, they form derived monosaccharides. So we can say that these are modified variously to form biomolecules or different substances. It consists of the example like deoxy sugar, amino acids, amino sugar, and sugar alcohol. Amino sugar, sugar acid, and sugar alcohol. You will be wondering that what is deoxy sugar. Deoxy we have read somewhere. Deoxy means deoxyribonucleic acid. Yes, it is somewhere. And deoxyribonucleic acid, RNA, ribose, somewhere it is related. So deoxy sugar is the removal or deoxygenation of the oxygen at second carbon of ribose is known as deoxy sugar. So we can just make deoxy sugar by removing oxygen from the second carbon of ribose structure. Let's do it. So this was our ribose that we have made earlier. Let's again label it 3 and 4. Okay. When it has been deoxygenated, then we can get this type of structure was there. OH, 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 CH2, OH. It was ribose and it is deoxy sugar. Okay, sorry. Here we have to add a no. Deoxy sugar. Am I right? No. Both are same then. We have to remove the oxygen at second carbon. Which is the second carbon? 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the second carbon. Let's remove O from here. Removed. Only H remained. So this is deoxyribose. This is deoxyribose, deoxy sugar, and this is ribose. Understood? And the rest subtypes, that is the amino, sugar, sugar acid, sugar alcohol, the examples you have to memorize it. There's no way to just means remember it in some other way. So amino sugar consists of glucosamine. It consists of glucosamine. The sugar acid consists of glucuronic acid and ascorbic acid. We know that ascorbic acid was in orange, I think so. Like Sugar alcohol consists of mannitol and it is present in brown algae. Okay. From the next topic, we will study oligosaccharides and the reducing sugars. Okay.